Just about 10 minutes walk. So not too bad. Yeah, warm up. Okay, thank you. So, okay. Okay, everybody got 2 sticks. Go get 2 more, please. And nice down. Okay. So when I do this, when I block it, look at my hand. Look at my hand over there. And when I do this, I don't get it really too low up here. Because once you get it here too low, this could hit, or you have,
or I can push back.
yes, and he can power it way back right away. That's why when I block it with my left, I go up like this. Okay, I go up. Okay, so okay, when I block with my left, I go up like this, and then I go in. I interject with my left.
So your partner uses 1 stick, you use 2.
Yeah, 2 stick right now versus 1 stick.
Okay.
You know, just to add it, because if I do this one stick, it'll be so easy to follow.
Right.
But I want to do it a little bit more complicated, so at least you guys could, you know, yeah. Okay, so from here, I go up, and when I go up, I put it there on the side. I don't want to do it here, up here, because again, if I stop it here, it will be difficult for me to make the move if it's at the center. But if it's on the side, it's easier for me because his balance is moving into his left side.
He's also got a lever to work
Yeah,
with.
easier. So from here, I go up with this, and then I go up. And when I go up, I don't go up here. Because I go up here, I could go to the face of your partner. Okay, from here, up, I go up like that, and I'm worried about the hand. If Bobby would punch or push, I could just push that away and over there. But we're not into doing that thing. We're just moving to here, from here, up, and then I move it up. Not here. Go up a little bit over there. I'm pushing it going over there. And then I take it down like this. Okay, so again, from this side, I go up, and then I move it up there, and then I use this one as a pulley to pull it down. And when I pull it down, I'm moving this direction. Okay?
Up, down.
Of balancing, okay? We got it? Okay. Let's go work this one out with a partner. Yes. Enter with the right. Enter with the right. Okay? That's it.
Here we go.
You got this.
See how I'm pulling it out the side? I'm not just going down here. I'm actually hooking it there. Then I go around and
Left with the, okay.
gotta hook
Left
on my,
first with the right.
this is a line in itself.
Enter into the right.
If I stick
Like
this
this.
across, and the
As soon
closer
as
I
I
get, the
move
more
this
powerful I am.
I insert this
If
one.
I'm at a
And
distance
then I
here,
let
I'm
go
not
of
as
this one.
powerful.
Don't
I
leave
pull
it here
them
because
down,
you get
strictly liable to
and
bend
then
his
just
knees a
move
little
this
bit
one.
and pull back in.
Face it up.
He's bigger than me. I don't want to give him any chance.
And then I was thinking, from here, we can move this at the same time, but we need to follow what we have started. So from here, I just enter this. Okay? Do not leave your stick down if you haven't moved this one yet. Because this would go through to your face. Or it would punch with the puño. Okay? So from here, I go up with this. And look at that. I pull it on away from me before I pull that one in. Don't worry about it.
Okay, that's 1 stick.
Okay? So from here, look at the way I'm doing it. Yeah. From here, I go up with this, all the way up, and then I'll pull this one out. Simple as that. So, one more time. One, I go up, and look at this. I don't do this like this, because you don't have enough space. You need to have bigger space so that this can enter. You know, okay, from here. Look at that right away. I can just pull this one down at the same time, just like that. Okay, go practice this, and then we'll have somebody at the mirror from here, block it first here, and then go up with this one, and then go.
Okay.
Same one, same concept. Lock it, don't block it here. Lock inside, closer, and then enter it here. Look at my hand. When I enter it down here, my hand is scooping
Oh,
and it's grabbing, even though I'm not grabbing it itself, but I'm grabbing it by the radio bone over here.
Only use this one.
Okay? Just like that. I'm guiding it. From here, I guide it. See? And I don't want to do it here. Again, when I do it here, this is stronger. But if I move it here, I'm outbalancing my opponent. At the same time, I go in and look at this right away. I'm pulling Bobby without grabbing it. I could grab this just like that, but that's too complicated, too slow when I do it that way. So when I work in this, my body is already sideways. I don't block it here. Because when I block it here, it's hard for me. Okay? So I would be sideways like this and look at that right away. And then this is the place, this is the area that I want him to do the technique, not here. When I do it here, it's harder for me because he has a power. But the moment this goes in, outbalance right away there, the body follows.
yeah, you take his power.
Okay? The balancing is there. From here, go up with this now. Okay? So you so that you can feel the technique. Go up with this. And then just smooth that one in. You don't need to do this one anymore. From here, just go all the way. Look at that. I'm not moving it here already. I'm going up a little bit. Okay? So from here, up. Look at that right away.
Started and pushed around. I'm sorry.
We have been doing this. Same concept.
Right.
Same concept. No difference at all. From here, we can also now limit the number of moves that we have been doing.
This is too short.
Yeah. Okay. From here, yes, look at that. This could be a slap. Remove this, it could be a slap. And then this could be
Right
the
there.
technique you move in. It could be a throw, just like this. Remember this before?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. So there's so many things that you can do with this, but I don't force if it's staff, the technique is already there and then there's no mobility, I don't push it. I stay. Just this. Okay? So I want you to scoop now the back, just like this. I want you to grab it. A bit. See? Right away. I don't raise that one up. When you raise it up like that one, it's harder for you to pull it down. So from here, when I move this, I just move that one in. And then when I fire that one in, I'm scooping it. And when I scoop it, I'm literally hitting just like this. I don't do like that one. Okay? And what I'm doing is I'm hitting that going to the left. From here, see, right here. I'm hitting that one going, and then I pull it out. See right away. Again, the out balancing is always there. Look at that, the way the way I block it. I'm pushing it a little bit like that one.
See, let it move. He's off balance.
All balance.
And then I move it just like this.
Get him down.
When I came down, I don't want to have an opening so wide like this because I have no power.
Because he can pull back.
Yeah, I'm there.
He didn't start with the other hand. He just redirects it
Yeah.
right away.
Yes. Okay?
Yeah.
And when I do this, when I move this, look at that right away.
You're pushing it, taking off balance.
My
Instantly.
hand is this part of my. Look at that. Okay. I'm not doing anything anymore. I just push that one in. So then, just like that. And look at my hand there. It's all the way up instead of here. Why? Because this could come in. Okay? Like that one. And then when I do this, look at the angle of my hand. I'm scoping it with just this, with this. Anyway, as soon as you will pull this one out, see, look at this way. Okay. So simple, redirect that one. He needs to move before he can react. He needs to gain his
No, I'm thinking
money just like that.
the John Wayne stuff,
Yeah.
because they don't know how to box.
Yeah.
But I know how to box,
Yeah.
so it's a cross.
But push that one in and then just look at my hand there. Okay. From here, I just push this one in and it's easy for me. I can just pull this one out and kick. Or take it down just like our bicycle ride and everything. Okay, and then from here,
Over here.
okay? And you have the way, oh, this is open, not this. Because here you're limited option of technique that you can do, but this one, there's so many. Okay? Well,
Continue on around.
yeah,
Do that stuff.
yeah.
Oh, no.
Okay, so again, from here, 1,
2.
okay. Remember the black counter that we have been doing? This is the same. I will just add this one, this, over there. Okay, I'm back with this. Okay? 1, here. I'm back with it. Now, I'm doing it with the engagement is minimal. Not so far.
Nasa.
Don't worry, if I resist, he pulls me off.
Yeah. Okay? From here, 1, bang. And look at that. When I grab this, when I grab this, right away, look at the way I do it.
You don't want.
You know. Okay. 1. Okay. Now I'm grabbing it at the same time, I'm pulling it at the same time and turning. Started with stick, up, and look at that. When I grab it, not so far, not so wide. I make it smaller. Okay, 1, bang, see? Because I could just make this at the same time over there, but we're not. Right away. And when I grab this, as soon as I'm here, and look at that, what I do. I'm doing this, I'm shaking it at the same time. Okay, let's do it. Move this. Then we block this, and then we will release it, and then come with it. Straight over here. So I'll block this one over there. Right? Okay? From here, up. When I take this one, I don't want to do it here. That's so wide. Okay? Wide. I'll take it closer. It's very important, closer. Not so wide because I'll tell you, you have to do so many things over here. Okay, you're projecting. 1. Here. I do it here. When I do it here, I'm now planching. Then look at this right away. Okay? Again. Then one more time. From here, 1. Lock. Strike. And then,
Loading.
okay? I'm clinching it when I move it that way. And they're confused.
I am too.
Okay? From
And I've
here,
done it before.
okay? Here, 1, 2, body this, up here. Just to there. Okay, okay? 1, 2, don't do this. Same thing, you can do the technique, but it's a little bit less in power. I'd rather do this because I can move this. The moment I move this, now I'm out balancing. See? I could even push this whenever comes on this one. From here, see, right away. Yeah, you can do that, but we're doing the black technique. Just like this. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Because if I block this, it hurts. If I block this, doesn't hurt that bad. Okay? Okay, let's go try it. 1. Okay. Then Bobby will do the same thing. Okay? You do the same thing. The block check on it. Okay, let me do it first. 1. Okay. Do the technique. Do the block check.
Do the block check on him now.
Yeah. Then
Just check his hand now.
check the hand. Yes. 1. Now Bobby got it already.
That's a continuous block check.
Yes. Here. Drop it. Take it. The moment I block this, but I will not be blocking this, I block this one down, I drop it. Yes.
And we're going from left to right hand.
Yes. Okay? Just like that. Practice this one. There's so many techniques that you can put this one on when you do this. Yes. Yeah. And look at that, whenever I do this, I make sure that I go to the face. Yes.
Because that's what someone will
Okay.
do with their hand.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again. 1, 2. Just spin this just like this.
Oh, I didn't see it. Can you do that again?
Okay. From here, just spin this just like that.
That's number 4.
Yeah. Okay. So simple. And when I grab it, from here, just move this just like that. You know, there's so many things that we can do with this, but I don't want to do so much complicated things that you guys would have difficulty practicing. Fine? Yeah. See, I deliberately I will not do it here, closer, because it's harder. Okay, but if I move it there, then I can grab this. Look at that, right away. And who taught me about how to open the fish like this? Bobby. Yeah, he was the one who taught me how to open it. Because this is the first week that I was working. I have done this, how to open this. You know, the guy was on the floor and I tried to pop him, and then and he was hiding this and doing this. I have to literally pull the one hand out, and then I have to open this one out, and then like that, and then like that, and then before I could tap somebody. 1. Yeah, see, I push Bobby out.
But he's also, what you don't see is lifting my elbow up.
Just like that. So I could open this just like that. Okay.
There's an automatic response to
Yeah,
falling
yeah.
forward.
From here. Yes, and then I scoop, move in. When I move in, I make sure that I make it closer. Not so wide over there, because he can pull this one out if it's so wide. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Pop this one out, and
Oh, you want me to do it?
pop it out. It's open. Hey,
Probably.
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. From here. 1. You know, open automatically because you're pushing it without telling her to open it. Okay, and then you grab it. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
If I do that there, working now.
Then 1.
We got no brakes.
Right.
It's this technique
Oh,
here.
4. Okay.
Got that?
Yep.
Yep.
So you grab it.
You get no turn.
And then don't pull it that way. Pull it in.
Oh.
this one. Yeah. One. Yeah.
This side.
Then here. Just this. Go out all the way. Open it.
Now he's breaking my elbow here, so that he's throwing my fingers into the palm,
Yeah.
the long.
But when you do this, it should be do it lightly, okay? You don't want anybody getting hurt. Just for this. And go ahead. Once you do this, it open up. Okay? Got it? You open the finger, instead of a closed fist. Just like this. Look. And then you need to follow also the very technique. I know that. Okay? Just like that. One, two. Okay. So we have done this, right? One over here.
Oh,
On the other side, yeah.
One, two. Just grab it here and then inside. Don't push it so hard. Okay. From here, as soon as you grab that, okay, enter my elbow inside, just like that. Just like that. This is now the technique that I told this.
yeah, it's still.
So from here, just insert it. Okay. Be careful. Be mild when you do this. Okay? And then after this, as soon as this comes in, you can also work with this. That's it. Yeah. Okay. You can do this. Or you can also do this. Just like this. You can also do a throw if I want to. We're not into those things. We're just one at a time. So up here, you grab this. We have done this, right? Just like this. Up. On the side. Okay. It's just simple. Bang. Okay? And then we can make a throw if we need to, but we're not into it. Just from here. Okay, just under. Okay, let's do this one. Okay? So thank you so much for coming in. Okay? Salamat. Mabuhay.